तो गाइज़ जैसे आप देख सकते हो मेरे पीछे बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे कसिनो में और एवरीवन इज़ ट्राइंग देयर लक एंड दिस प्लेस इज़ सो वाइब्रेंट वेरी हैपनिंग ओवर हियर एज यू कैन सी बिहाइंड मी. So guys, we are at 10th floor of this Venetian hotel and this bridge connects to the Venetian Palazzo. बुशॉन रेस्टोरेंट बाय शेफ थॉमस किलर, जिसको फ्रेंच क्यूजीन के बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स मिले हैं. द रेस्टोरेंट ऑफर्स ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, फाइन डाइनिंग एंड पूल साइड डाइनिंग. दिस इज सिचुएटेड एट द टॉप ऑफ द मेनेंजिया टॉवर. You will need to ask when checking because it's bit hidden away. So if you get a chance, do visit. वेनेजिया लॉबी में आपको क्लासिक म्यूजिक फ्लोर्स, एंटीक लाइट फिक्चर्स एंड हैंड पेंटेड म्यूरल्स देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. एंड दिस लॉबी इज रियली अमेजिंग. इट वाज ट्रीट फॉर माय आईज.
Let's go.
It's day 2 and we are here in Venetian only and हम लोग Venetian में घूम रहे हैं. सुबह से we had a breakfast and after that we are exploring places over here. If you take a right from this point, you are going to reach at St. Mark's Square. And you are going to cross these all shops and here you will get each and everything. So in both ways there are so many shops, so many high brands, so you can go and just check out. So we are moving further ahead toward the St. Mark's Square. वहाँ पे ही गंडोला राइड का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है एंड जहाँ पे हम लोग अभी खड़े थे पीछे वहाँ पे उसका एंडिंग पॉइंट था. सो लेट्स गो अहेड. This is the St. Mark's Square, which is located in the Grand Canal shopping area at Venetian. It is a great place to hang out and enjoy some good food and drink. While in St. Mark's Square, you will cross over the one of those many bridges over the Grand Canal, and where the gondolas lead their passenger under the bridge and over the bends, while entertaining them with Italian songs. The atmosphere in St. Mark's Square in the Venetian Hotel is so realistic and feels like you have traveled to another land and time. When you are tired of the bustling people and the bright lights of Vegas, you can come here just to relax. यहाँ पे गंडोला का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है, सो इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक गंडोला राइड यू जस्ट कम हियर एंड परचेज द टिकट एंड टेक अ गंडोला राइड. Moving further ahead, if you walk straight from the St. Mark's Square, you will come to the waterfall and the atrium, which is located on the level 1 of Palazzo Tower. Here you can find the Love Art installation. ये पलाजो का कसिनो है विच इज़ लोकेटेड ऑन द लेवल 1 ऑफ पलाजो टावर एंड एज यू कैन सी दिस कसिनो इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वाइब्रेंट एंड लग्जरियस. तो आप वेनेशियन कसिनो अगर आते हो तो आप वहाँ से सीधा चल के ये साइड में भी आ सकते हो. यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे स्लॉट मशीन हैं, बहुत सारे गेम्स हैं एंड एटमॉस्फेयर ओवर हियर इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. सो इफ़ यू गेट अ चांस मेक श्योर विजिट टू दिस साइड एज वेल. बेसिकली द वेनेजिया इज़ द सेकेंड टावर ऑफ वेनेशियन होटल. जब होटल फर्स्ट टाइम ओपन हुआ था दैट टाइम इट वॉज ओनली वेनेशियन टावर. लेटर देन दे एडेड वेनेजिया टावर विच वॉज कंसिडर एन अपग्रेड वर्जन ऑफ इट्स ओन लॉबी एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन एरिया and beautiful small garden pool deck area. It is connected to the Venetian tower. After that the Palazzo opened, which is separate hotel although still connected to the Venetian via walkway. The Palazzo is the newest one. Any room there is beautiful and you won't be disappointed. So my advice is that if you are trying to decide between Venezia, Venetian and Palazzo tower, pick whichever one is cheapest. The difference between all of them is minimal. सो गाइज नाउ वी आर हियर एट द पलाजो एंट्रेंस और हम लोगों ने वेनेसिया से स्टार्ट किया था. उसके बाद हम लोग ग्रैंड कैनाल से सेकेंड फ्लोर से आगे गए एट्रियम साइड और वहाँ से हम लोग वापस पलाजो से एग्ज़िट किया है. तो अगर आप देखोगे पलाजो का एंट्रेंस रैदर वेनेशियन का एंट्रेंस, दे हैव क्रिएटेड सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड इतना ब्यूटीफुली डिज़ाइन किया है. ऐसे लगेगा कि जस्ट बी हियर एंड spend some time and just look each and every detail. Moving further ahead towards the Wynn Hotel, this is the Wynn Dancing Fountain. Inside the Wynn Hotel, there is an indoor flower garden and famous tulip sculpture. Next, we move ahead towards the fashion show mall to buy shoes because I was wearing heels and after some time I couldn't able to handle it. So ultimately it turns into the shopping because here you will get almost all brands. So if you want to buy something, do visit this fashion show mall. After doing some shopping and having food, we decided to come back to the hotel because थोड़ी देर के बाद हम लोग को वापस रात को बाहर जाना था. तो we decided to stay at hotel for some time to take rest. And I was just looking outside the view, and as you can see in front of me, there is Resort World, and this resort is going to be open in this summer 2021. So many people are waiting for that. I want to tell you one more thing over here. Swimming pool is located on the fourth floor of Venetian, and which is the gorgeous, elegant pool deck. Considered one of the best and most luxurious poolside experience in Las Vegas, but unfortunately it was closed because of the COVID situation. तो हम लोग को वो चांस नहीं मिला देखने के लिए. Hello guys, we have come here at the Fremont Street, which is a street located in the heart of downtown of Las Vegas, and it's very famous and entertaining place in Las Vegas. So lot of things to see and do over here. We took a cab from our hotel, Las Vegas Strip area to reach here, and it took us 15 minutes to come here. So many things are going around me at this time. So let's see, go ahead and just check out what is happening over here.
Broken dreams in my pocket, golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it, you caught it. You're golden, golden, honestly you know it. Meet under the street light at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden, honestly you're glowing. Meet under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden, yeah, you're golden. hand in the darkness. Summer heat, bodies lay on the carpet. Eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the end, so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine, just so that I could show you. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. You're golden. You're golden. Golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You know it. Yeah, you're glowing. Golden. Golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the end, so I could show you. Golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the golden. Hey, you're golden.
Running through the lights of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my charge. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the lights of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my charge. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm free. I'm freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free. I'm freer than I've ever been before.
After spending some time at Fremont Street, we are back on our way to the hotel. This city of lights looks magical in the night. Millions and millions of lights are lit up. I wonder how much electricity this city uses. Now we are back to the hotel and just look at this Venetian lobby. Oh my god, this is insanely beautiful. I would like to come here again and again just to see this lobby. This is so beautifully designed. I can't get enough of it.